Hi guys, my name is Max Stu. Today we're going to talk about the Visual Basic unit. So let's get started. If you're a beginner, what you have to do is just follow my steps. So what you have to do is to download for Visual Basic, and you download the application, then you open it. So this is the first page of the Visual Basic. So this is start page Microsoft Visual Basic 2010 Express. So you have to press on new to open templates. This is the new template that you're seeing right here, and the different types of templates: WPF browser, class library, console application, WPF, and Windows Forms application. So we have to select on Windows Forms application like this, and you got kind of this, then clear, and you can write hello user like this. Hello user, then you press enter. After pressing enter, it depends on your computer how fast it is to open this application or how to run this application. So you're gonna open this Windows form or a form VB design where you can literally design what you want. So this is the new project, and open file, addition new item, save all, and add new icon, save form, and save all. And this is find, and this is start debugging F5, and this is step over, and everything that you're seeing. Toolbox, you gotta press control something in order for you to access something, not to just click on those icons. So what you have to do is to select on label, select the label, and you put on the form 1, and this is the toolbox, and this is the form 1.vb design, and this start page, and these properties. So your label is a text called label 1. So what you have to do is to change the text of your label, and you can change the text of your label so that you can write what you want. So to at this you are going to write enter, your, not in caps lock but in small letter, enter, write enter your name like this, enter your name, and you press enter. You see what happens? It changes the name of the label to press enter. So right now we want to change the name of the label. At this time we was changing the text, so now we're going to change the name of it. So we're gonna name it LBL name like this. I name it LBL name, and you press enter. Then you got to select a text box, a text box that doesn't have text because it's a text box. What you have to put into the text box is a text, so it only have a name. So what you have to do is to change that name of the text box, and you can put what you want. txt name like this. Then you press enter. Then you select a button, the button is a text called button 1 and name called button 1. So we don't want to change name first, we have to change the text of it first. So you can change the text of the button like this. Then the text of the button can write and okay like this. You can see the reason why we're putting that sign of end. It's because we want to put the line below. You gotta type okay like this. If you see, you press enter, there's no line below because we didn't put that sign. So that sign of end, you can put it if you want. This for me, I want to put it, and I put it like this, and you can see the line below. And if I change the name form 1, form 1, the text of the name form 1, the text of the name of this, the text of this form 1 will be to, I change it to hello user, hello, I change it to hello user, yes, like this. Then you press enter, you see what happens. It writes hello user. Then you double click on the button so that you can add the code. You see, now you can add the code what you want. So let's start to write the code. Create the code. Display a rectangle like this. Display a rectangle. We don't want to put a rectangle on this. It's still continue. Display a rectangle. So there's something that you have to do first before you write that. You have to put a colon. That colon, it changes the color of everything. It means a lot of things. I'm going to explain it in the next tutorial. So you can write display message box, or not that one. You can write display a message box, because we want it to be only one message box, not more message box. So display message box 1, not message box 1, or you just write display a message box quoting to the user like this. And you press enter, then you press space bar again. Then you write message box dot show. If you type a wrong spelling, the VB don't understand the wrong spelling. So what you have to do is to type a correct spelling in these things. So you gotta collect this show, message box dot show, and you can put the code what you want. Then you put parentheses, then you put semicolon, then you type yellow, just yellow. You can type yellow, just yellow like this. Then you close. You put a comma first, then you close. Okay, then you press end, and txt, it means text box name. That text that will name in the form 1 VB. Okay, name dot text like this. Then you can press end again. Then you press end, then you put semicolons again. Then you say welcome to visual, right, welcome to visual basic, welcome to visual basic 20, whatever a year you want to put. You can put the year that you want, 2010, 2022, 2022, to go to basic 22, 2030, or 2019. As for me, I want to put 2010 like this. So you can close chords, then you close the chords, then you press comma and you press enter. Then after that you can open again the chords, then you write, and you type like this. You type hello user, then you close. Not only 1, 2. If you fail to write correctly, this language, it do not understand anything. Okay, so what you have to do is type correct things and follow my steps. If you follow my steps, everything will be fine. Like what you see in the error list, there's no error, there's no warnings, there's no messages. So right now we have to remove this word text. Look at that, is what is going to be done. Remove. Now there's an error identified or error expected. So that text is important. Everything is important, because a text box contains text. And I'm going to show that if you type a wrong spelling, So now let's debug. Start debug. We are running our program. Let's run our program. Running like this. Run our program like this. Yeah, like this. Our program runs. So that's mean that we put a correct code first. So let's see it is displays what we want. We go right blossom. This is one like this. Then you press OK. You see what happens. Hello user. Hello blossom Zozola. Welcome to Visual Basic. Then you press OK. Then you type another name, what you want, anything what you want. You will write hello Max, hello, whatever version you want. Hello, I'll type Max still, blossom, like this. Then you press OK. See, hello Max still blossom. Welcome to the Visual Basic, like this. Then you press OK. Then go right again, anything that you want. This system allows you to do it. So next time we're going to put the password for you to enter the system, though that we are going to do in the next tutorial. See, welcome to hello Max. Welcome to the OK. We finished. Hello Max. Welcome to Visual Basic. So stop debug. So now I want you to follow my steps. You have to put another button in this so that you can close the form. Okay, put another button like this. Another button. See, it writes button 2. This is the text of the button. Okay, not the name of the button. So what you have to do is to change that text of the button, and so that you write and not that one, but and exit like this. You put don't confuse yourself. That thing that I put that is nothing. I want it to have a line below. This is the wrong spelling of exit. I discovered this is the wrong spelling of exit. So what you have to do is to change to a correct spelling. So change the spelling of this exit. I start with I instead of start with X. So I have to do it like this. E and put that sign and X I T. Then I press enter. See what happens. There's a line below. You double click that label, that button. You double click that button. Then you add the code that is following. The following code. Add the following code. It is the same code like what we did. Okay. End the program and close the form. Just like that. Follow what I'm doing and you see we want this button to close the form. We want this button to end the program. That's what we want. We don't want to do like if we finish to run our program then we go and stop debug. We don't want to stop debug. What we want is just end the program by the button and may close. See, may close in parentheses. We put the parentheses at the end, 2 parentheses like this. Okay, we end our code. Now see, there's no errors, there's no warnings, there's no messages, so it's clear. So what you have to do is just let's remove this later. See what happens. There's now an error. End statement is not valid. It's now meaningless because we removed that thing. So that thing is so important. So put it again like this. Then you run. Look what happened. And now you run the program. And now there's no need to stop debug. If you debug, there's no need to stop debug because you put the button of stopping or of the button of exit, or type what you want. See what is going to happen. So guys, catch you later. So just follow these steps and you see that the things will be fine. Okay, thanks for watching.
The truth behind the clouds, so the sun is all she needs.